Hi, it's Oluwafemi here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell your cryptocurrency into cash straight up in your bank account. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Binance app to sell your cryptocurrency, whether it is BTC, USDT, BNB, Ethereum, or any sort of cryptocurrency you have in your crypto wallet. I'm going to show you how you can easily convert it into cash in your bank account, and this is going to be a simple process method for you to learn. And due to how people want to learn how to easily convert their USDT or their BTC, which is their Bitcoin, into cash, I make this video for them. And if you are new to the channel, welcome, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. All what I want from you is to give me 1,000 likes for this video so that it was going to push it out to other people to see and learn from it. So let's dive into the video. So first of all, Binance is available on the web and it is available on mobile app. But in this video, I'm going to be using the mobile app to illustrate and explain how to sell cryptocurrency and get cash straight up in your bank account. And if you want to get that, make sure you go to Play Store and download Binance. Make sure it is having this logo and make sure you download it so you will not download the wrong version of Binance. You understand what I mean? So make sure you have it on your phone, and if you want to get started, make sure you register through the link in the description of this video to get some bonus in dollars for yourself. And then make sure that the logo is showing like this. I'm hammering on this. Make sure the logo is showing like this to make sure that you're on Binance app. And once you are done with that, then we are going to move straight to where we are going to sell our cryptocurrency. But make sure that you have this crypto in your Binance wallet. And if you don't know how to do that, you can actually see my previous video where I explain how you can move your money from Trust Wallet or any other cryptocurrency wallet into Binance and get it straight up in your crypto wallet. And if you get that straight up, then make sure that you have the money in your Binance account, which is, it can be BTC, it can be USDT, it can be any sort of cryptocurrency. So after doing that, then you want to sell the cryptocurrency. So what you have to do next is that you will go to P2P market, because Binance has P2P market, which means peer-to-peer trade. A peer-to-peer trade is where the buyer and the seller meet together in agreement to sell or buy cryptocurrency. And because we want to sell cryptocurrency, yes, product on Binance using P2P market, we are going to use the P2P market and we are going to meet the buyer or the seller that we want to sell our cryptocurrency to. So remember that this video is all about how to sell cryptocurrency. So we are not buying in this video. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. Remember, and what you have to do is that you go to P2P market and you want to sell your crypto. And one thing I like about Binance is that they have a escrow service whereby they will lock the fund of the seller, the person that wants to sell the cryptocurrency, which is me now in this video where I want to sell my cryptocurrency. So Binance is going to lock the crypto for me till the buyer that I want to sell it to send me money, and I've already confirmed it in my bank account. So that is how it is, so that I'm not going to lose and the other person too is not going to lose. And remember, this is P2P market. Don't trust anybody when you want to sell something like this. Make sure that you receive your money first before you release your crypto to anybody. So I'm going to move straight to the mobile app now, and then I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get this done.
So the first thing to do is to open your Binance app and make sure that you have your crypto in your wallet. So when you open your Binance app, it's going to show this interface for you where you have your total balance in USD. So this is how it will show for you. Then the next thing is to convert my BTC, because I want to trade BTC right now. So I click on trade and I click on convert. So it is going to show here for you. Then it's going to show spot wallet for BTC and funding wallet for BTC. Crypto that I received is under spot wallet. So I have to change it from BTC to USDT because I want to trade in USDT. So after the conversion of the BTC to USDT, then I'm going to move straight to P2P market. Just click on trade and click on P2P on the upper part. Then it's going to show buy and sell. Assuming I want to buy crypto now, I'm going to stay here where under buy, but I want to sell crypto in this video. So I'm going to go under sell, but I want to show you something real quick. You see this yellow badge here? It is showing verified merchant, and you can sell different coin from USDT, BTC, FD, USD, BNB. You can select different coins here on P2P market, but I'm sticking to USDT because I've already converted my BTC into USDT. Going to see this yellow badge, which means that they are all verified merchants on Binance. So when you see people with yellow badge, so they are verified, you are buying from merchants. So you can see here we have the limit is from 3,000 300,000 to 700,000 naira above, and I'm under sale now. And the first one, we have 4 million naira to 15 million naira above, we have 30 million naira to 20 million naira above. That means that this person is selling within that range, and what I want to sell is 100 USDT. Remember, because after doing the conversion I still got like 99.33 USDT, so it is within 100,000 naira. So I just click on filter to filter out the price I want to sell my crypto, the hard from merchant. I don't want to buy from merchant this time around, but if I want to buy from merchant, I can just click it. It is going to show yellow. But I want to buy from that person that is not a merchant. So we have people that are not merchants and they're on Binance. So the crypto that I want to sell is within 100,000 naira. So I should enter 100,000 naira above. Then I'm going to see those people that are selling, that I want to buy with that 100,000 naira. Remember, I want to sell my crypto, so they are buying from me in order to have cash in my bank account. So I've already selected, I've already filtered it out, and the first one we have 40,000 to 200,000, but I cannot buy from that because I'm restricted. Then the second we have 20,000 naira to 200,000 naira, so I can still trade with Team Fortress, I can trade with Suja FX, I can still trade with them because I am within that range. So the next thing to do is I'm going to click on sell. Just when you click on sell, then you are going to sell it to them. But at times the bank they put there, you might not have it. You might not have the bank they put there. So I want to use OPay. So the first one, it didn't put OPay there, so I cannot choose the person because the person is not putting OPay, and I want to trade, I want to get my money in my OPay account, my OPay bank account. So the second one is having OPay, bank transfer, Kuda Bank, and OPay. So if you see somebody putting bank transfer, you can still use OPay, even if they did not put OPay there. So when you see bank transfer, means that the person can transfer to any bank in Nigeria. So I chose that person, and then I make sure that the price is updated. So you have by fiat or by crypto. By fiat means that you are going to enter the exact amount of money you want to sell your crypto. If it's 100,000 naira under fiat, you are going to put it there. But after doing my conversion, I did not transfer my money from sports wallet, my crypto from sports wallet to funding. If you want to trade under P2P, you must move your money from sports to funding for you to trade on Binance P2P. So after doing that, and I went back to P2P to sell my crypto. Remember, I'm going to filter out the person that is going to buy from me within 50,000 to 100,000 or 100,000 naira above, because 100 USDT is more than 100,000 naira. If they are selling it around 1,188, that means that I'm going to get above 100,000 naira. So the money that I moved from sports now to this place has been updated, and I want to sell my crypto. So you can see the total quantity, and then we have 117,904, but I don't want that amount. I want aggregate amount, like I want something that will total it up. So I change it to 118. Then I select a payment method. I've already set my payment method, the bank account I use to receive money. So I put my OPay account there because it's very, very, very fast for me to receive my money, to confirm it. And people there prefer using OPay, PalmPay, or Kuda. If you have that account, then you can receive your money faster with all these banks. So I have them here, and these are my bank account. So I then click on sell USDT. When I click on sell USDT, then it's going to take you to the chat box of that person. So you are going to see waiting for buyers for payment. Remember, I said that at the beginning of this video, I said there is escrow service. So this is what the escrow service is here. So until the buyer sends me my money and I see it in my account, that is when I'm going to release the crypto, because the crypto will not be released to the buyer on time. So I have to send my my phone number to the person to call me if it is necessary, because at times they will need to call if they've already released the crypto, and after doing that they will need to call you, or else they're going to report you to Binance that you want to scam them. So I have to put this down in my chat board to tell the person that they should call me if it is, when it is necessary. Maybe I'm not online and then they have not released it to me. So now the person is very, very fast, and then he has already released it to me. So the next thing to do is I'll just go straight to my bank account to confirm the money the person has sent. Please and please, on Binance you don't know anybody. It is like you don't know, and you don't have family members on Binance. So that is why they're making it to for you to be on the safer side. So the person has already marked paid, and I'm here to get my money here, and it is showing pending. Now it is successful. So fine, I've already gotten the money. I'll just go back to Binance to confirm the payment. So what I have to do is I'm going to wait for the person to click on his side that he has already sent me the money. So after doing that, then it's going to show please release. You can see payment received. That means the person has already clicked on the on that button that he has sent me the money. So after doing that, I'm going to click I have received and verify the following amount in my account. So after confirming the money in my account, the next thing is to go for the verification. Then I'm going to use authenticator app and my email address. So I'm going to open my authenticator app to enter the code that I have there already, but it can't show here, and I'm going to write it out. I'm going to enter it here, and then I will verify my authenticator app. But the next thing is to go to my email address. So I'm going to open my Gmail account to see the code Binance has already sent to me to enter for the verification. So once you enter this, then you are good to go. It wasn't like this before. It's like we normally use our phone number to verify, but due to how to secure your account, so Binance introduced this one, and it has been helping. I think scammers are already taking money from people's accounts. So if you want to do this now, you must have authenticator app, and then your Gmail address account must be with you before you can do this. So I'm going to enter the code from my Gmail account, and then fine, I'm good to go. I have sold my USDT. So this is how you can sell it. You can sell your USDT, and this is how you can get it straight up in your bank account.
I hope you got value in what you just watched now, and if you do, just let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to improve with any of my videos, just let me know in the comment section and let me know where you are chatting me from. Thanks so much for your time, and thanks so much for sticking to the end of this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.